Good morning. Here are the top stories for the 9th of July 2026. Politics. Delhi approves long-pending infrastructure projects. Delhi government gives the green light to several delayed infrastructure projects across key sectors. The approvals are expected to improve public transport, healthcare, education, policing, water supply, and waste management, benefiting millions of residents. The sanctioned projects cover metro expansion, civic infrastructure, public health facilities, educational institutions, and other essential services. Political tension erupts during Kolkata rally. Headline: A political rally in Kolkata witnessed unrest following a confrontation between Trinamool Congress supporters and BJP workers. Such incidents raise concerns over public safety and political harmony ahead of future electoral activities. The rally saw pushing and scuffles, while visuals circulating online showed Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee involved in a heated moment amid the commotion. Economy. IMF reaffirms India's strong growth outlook. Headline: The International Monetary Fund continues to rank India among the fastest growing major economies. Sustained economic growth supports employment, investment, and overall financial stability despite weaker global conditions. While global growth is expected to moderate in 2026, India is projected to maintain comparatively robust economic momentum. Rising crude prices may pressure Indian markets. Higher global crude oil prices are expected to weigh on Indian stock markets. Increasing oil prices often translate into higher fuel costs, inflationary pressure, and increased transportation expenses. Market sentiment has weakened following renewed geopolitical tensions involving the United States and Iran. Technology. India successfully conducts Pinaka rocket trial. India successfully completed another test of its long-range Pinaka guided rocket system. The successful trial strengthens indigenous defense capabilities and reinforces India's focus on self-reliant military technology. Officials described the test as accurate and successful, with the system developed by DRDO laboratories. AI industry watches DeepSeek's chip ambitions. Reports suggest Chinese AI startup DeepSeek is developing its own artificial intelligence chip. Custom-designed AI processes could reshape competition within the global semiconductor and AI industries. Investors are closely tracking developments as demand for AI computing hardware continues to rise. International affairs. US-Iran conflict escalates. Military tensions between the United States and Iran have intensified following another round of strikes. The escalation could impact global oil markets, regional stability, and international security. The latest military action has heightened concerns over prolonged conflict in the region. Gaza violence continues. Fresh Israeli airstrikes reportedly resulted in civilian casualties in Gaza. The continuing conflict is worsening humanitarian conditions and complicating ceasefire efforts. Local health authorities reported multiple deaths following the latest strikes. Fresh attacks reported in Ukraine. Russia and Ukraine exchanged fresh drone and missile attacks overnight. Continued fighting threatens civilian lives, infrastructure, and regional security. Authorities reported casualties and damage following the latest wave of attacks. Thane doctor assault case sees arrest. Police arrested a Shiv Sena operator in connection with the assault of a doctor and hospital staff in Thane. Violence against healthcare professionals raises serious concerns about safety within medical institutions. Guwahati tightens action against drain blockage. Authorities in Guwahati have intensified measures to prevent drain blockage and reduce urban flooding. Improved drainage management can help minimize monsoon-related disruptions and protect city infrastructure. Civic authorities have introduced financial penalties for those responsible for blocking drainage systems. That's your July 9th morning update. Have a good day ahead.